Oh, that's hot.
Are you looking for max adventure and the poorest of timing? Embrace the tubes.
This is not awesome. I'm about 120 miles away from home. I just got a flat on my rear tire. That thing is freaking hot because it took me a while to figure out that it was flat. So I'm gonna work on getting it pulled off and get a new tube put in. Hopefully there's no damage to the tire that will prevent me from putting a tube in. If there is, I'm gonna have to call a tow truck, and I am not keen on that. I may have to come up with some other ways to get my bike back, which I may have to call on a friend, which 4th of July, not a great idea to ask a friend to come pick you up. There it is. There's the nail that did the damage. Today'd be a good day to have tubeless. Dang it. I always carry some dishwashing soap, a little cup, and some rags, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water, mix this up to lube the bead to get the tire off, so I'm not struggling as much. So it's just something that I do. Holy shit. There's part of my tube. Oh, that's hot. After doing that, don't forget to pump the brake. Get the pedal back. There we go, right there. It is super loud right now. I just finished up putting everything together and putting it away. There's another car coming. It took me about 45 minutes to do everything. I took my time because it's super hot. Made sure I had enough to drink throughout doing this. So if you're running tubes, you better be able to fix it. Otherwise, I'd be calling a tow truck, and who knows how long that would take. But it's not that big a deal. So like I said, 45 minutes. I just need to get ready and go. One problem is the rim strip was completely destroyed. You can see the condition of the tube as it came out. So I'm not gonna be going overly fast. I only have like 120 miles to go. So hopefully I can get there and I don't overheat everything and pop another tire. Then doing this again and putting the front tube in. So anyway, not exactly how I had planned to spend the last 3 hours of my ride getting home, but it's just one of those things. It adds to the adventure and getting things going. So anyway, just wanted to share that I'm doing all the same things as everybody else. Thanks for watching. Get out, do some riding, ride safe, and I will see you out there.